This tiny orange potato is currently recharging its single brain cell for a long day of screaming. Notice how it ignores the human finger like a true monarch. It is roughly 3% cat and 97% fuzz. Handle with care or it might just melt away. Listen carefully because I will only say this once. Put that spray bottle down right now or there will be serious consequences for your upholstery. Oh, you actually did it. You absolute monster. I am now moist and my day is completely ruined.
Good. Well done.
Here's the teeth. Tell us. Ah.
The ultimate levels of feline exhaustion captured in 5 frames. This morning energy is brought to you by a cat who clearly worked a double shift at the biscuit factory and forgot to set an alarm.
Meme, awas, abang mau pergi kerja. Asna, awas, awas, awas. Tutup pintu nih ya. Mau ikut ya. Awas, 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 cepat. Sana, abang. Nah, ayo, abang mau pergi kerja. Nah ini. Dadah. Dadah Meme. Jaga rumah ya, Nak. Meme.
Aku harus diam di sini dan bersantai. Aku tidak mau memikirkan siapa, di mana, sedang apa. Aku tidak peduli apapun. Pokoknya aku akan bersantai.
This tiny kitten thinks the milk bar is always open for business. Mom looks totally exhausted while her hungry little roommate demands a snack. Parenting is tough even when you have 4 fuzzy paws. This tiny gray cloud is currently oscillating between fierce hunter and total existential confusion. One moment he is stalking the feather wand with peak predator energy, and the next he is staring into space wondering if he left the oven on.
They wanted me to confess. After a year of hell in that place, I admitted to what I'd done. I killed those.
Kesayanganku, terima kasih kau hadirkan tawa setiap hari. Kita bersama selamanya sampai tua, tetap sahabat setia.
Look at this brave ginger soul entering the ultimate danger zone for some high-stakes scratches. One moment he is a purring cloud of soft white fluff and the next he is a tiny screaming tiger ready to activate the four-pawed shredder.
Oh, it's pretty. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, good baby.
Hate. Double hate.
Loathe entirely.
That heroic tuxedo cat sprinted through the yard with a duckling in its mouth only to drop it safely into a bucket of water. This cat is officially out of office and currently experiencing a total system failure. You could poke him or prod him, but he is staying in dreamland until further notice. Sweet dreams, buddy.
Deixa seu gato sair na rua? Você precisa ouvir isso. Gatos não saem de casa só por curiosidade. Eles saem porque acreditam que tudo ao redor é território deles. Só que tem um problema que muita gente ignora. O mundo lá fora não é seguro para eles. Brigas, doenças, atropelamentos. E às vezes, eles simplesmente não voltam. Manter seu gato dentro de casa não é prender, é proteger. Mas se ele ainda tem acesso à rua, pelo menos reduza os riscos. Identificação e vacinação em dia são o mínimo. Porque independência felina é linda, mas segurança é responsabilidade sua. Seu gato vive 100% indoor ou ainda sai? Me conta aqui.
Small criminal attempts to steal a nap from very sleepy mother. This kitten started as a peaceful angel dreaming of treats but quickly realized that being held like a tiny human is slightly undignified. Those judgmental eyes say it all. Absolute perfection in 5 frames.